Good morning to all. Chapter 3 DBMS Database Models Part 2. DBMS Database Models. The database models are listed below: hierarchical database model, network model, relational model, object oriented database model. Hierarchical database model, the famous one was IMS, Information Management System, and IBM's first DBMS. IBM means International Business Machine. Okay children. So in this model, each record has information in the relationship is parent child. It is a tree like structure. It is a tree like structure. You people know that a table is made up of rows and columns. Each row represents record and each column represent fields. Okay children. Individual records are equal to rows. I said row represents record. Okay. So what is the advantages of hierarchical database model? Less redundant data and efficient search, data integrity and security. So what is redundant? It is a useless. Okay, note down. So what is the meaning of integrity? The meaning of integrity is honest. Okay. So and what are the limitations in hierarchical database model? It is complex to implement. Complex. It is very complex to implement and difficulty in handling many to many relationship. Okay. So see the diagram. So it is a tree like structure. So company, so under that users, machines and devices, applications, and users under that marketing and personnel. So it is a tree like structure. It is difficult to maintain in hierarchical database model. Let we move to network model. Network model is similar to hierarchical model. Network model is similar to hierarchical model. Here there are many to many relationship are handled in better way. The model is in three database concept. One is network schema, and another one is subschema, and the third one is language for management. What is meant by schema? It specifies the structure. It specifies the structure. Network schema defines all about the structure of database. Subschema controls on the views of database, and the language for data management is procedural accessing of database. See the diagram. So in ABC college, various departments, in that one department is used department A and the student and the college library. It has two parents. So see that relational model. So in the relational model is Oracle and DB2 are the few commercial relational models. So in the two terminologies, that is one is instance and schema. Instance means consist of rows and columns. Row means record, column means fields. Okay children. So schema specifies the structure of each column. So a relational table consists of unique attributes, columns, and tuples, rows. Tuples means rows. So see the diagram. Relational database. So member and then member group and group. So under the member group, member ID, member's first name and member's surname and email. The various fields are there. Okay. So next we move to object oriented database model. In this model they are using the OOPS concept, that is object oriented programming concept they are used. In that object oriented model is a small and reusable software is known as objects stored in object oriented database. Most efficiency, and it is different data types are used large. It's a complex behavior handled efficiency and effectively by using the OOPS concept. So see the diagram children. This diagram represent for object oriented database model. In this, salesperson is an entity and various attributes are used for the salesperson having name and salesperson has age and salary. And the rhombus symbol is there that represent relationship, has department and department has department name and budget, and salesperson live in address. So in the address consists of various attributes. The attributes are street name, street number, city, state, zip. Okay. And another one has account and has orders. Have you all understand this diagram? Okay children, thank you.